Hi, my name is Daniel and welcome to TechTekk. If you're lucky enough to have super fast fibre in your house, then you're probably going to be with Virgin Media in the UK. But the only downfall of Virgin Media is their Wi-Fi boxes are simply not fast enough to deliver super fast Wi-Fi from where it is. So in this case, this is where the super hub is, just here, all the way down to the other side of your house. Well, in this video, I'm at my parents' house and we're going to upgrade the internet using not just one super fast access point, but two. So before we begin, we need to get a speed test for each of the rooms here. I do know that this is where the fastest internet is in the house. So we run a speed test now. We currently have 384 megabytes in download and 35.3 in upload. So we know in this room it's super fast and that Virgin Media Wi-Fi box does the job. However, if we go downstairs now, it's a whole different story. So we're now downstairs in the kitchen. We're not that far away from the super hub. Actually, it's just up the stairs on the landing. But you can see we've got a 0.12 download and 0.39 of upload. So that super fast internet that we have upstairs is just not making it through the brick walls of this house. So the access points that we're going to install should absolutely destroy this slow internet and give us a real fast speed upstairs and downstairs. Okay, so before we begin, the most important thing is to always do a dry run. So as you can see, we've got the access point connected, Ubiquiti access point. We've got one. We've also already set this one up already, so that one's ready to go. This one's using power over Ethernet, as you can see here. So the power comes in, and then that supplies power to the access point, and then we've got a LAN cable that's going straight into the router. Now we'll run bigger cables because we're going to go up into the loft in a minute and run those, but that's pretty much the setup. In the software, we're all done. It's all ready to go. We've got a brand new Wi-Fi name. So we'll turn off the Wi-Fi name from the Virgin Media router, and then we'll just use the unique name that we've now set for these access points. So that's pretty much it. Next job now is to get these installed up on the roof, get the wiring done, and then we'll be ready for super fast internet anywhere within this house. So how this one's going to work is we've got the router here. We're going to run a cable along the trunking that's just down here. Going to go run up into the loft, and then one's going up on the ceiling over here. So we've got a ladder already here. One's going to go up on the roof, so the cable will go up, over, and then connecting up there. And then there'll be another one going on downstairs, potentially in the living room. We've not quite decided where that's going yet. We're just going to run the first one first, see what the signal's like with just one. We might not need two, we'll have to see, because these are business grade access points. Then once that's done, we'll then look at running the cable somewhere else in the house downstairs and get that all set up. Okay, so we are pretty much finished now. We've decided that we're only going to use one access point, and that's because on the back of the box, which I didn't read when I bought these, says it does a range of 122 meters, and of course this house is much smaller than 122 meters, or about 400 feet. So we've done a test, much better downstairs now, just with the one device. And if you have a look now, we've got the device up here in the hallway, or on the landing. And that does everyone upstairs and everyone downstairs. That cable then goes over, it comes down behind the back of the door. Just up here, you see the cable comes down, goes along the trunking, which goes down here, and then it goes straight into the back of the router that's on the desk. Now that's one way of doing it. Of course, you can do other ways where you plug it into an Ethernet hub, which doesn't then require you to have power over Ethernet, because it does it for you. But in this scenario, it works for most homes anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much the install. The last thing we need to do, of course, is go downstairs to the kitchen and see how the internet has been improved. Okay, so the moment of truth. Now we can run the speed test with the new wireless access point upstairs. We're down in the kitchen and we are getting, okay, so that did 38.1 megabytes download, 31.9 megabits upload. So that is how you improve your home internet using a business grade access point. If you want to buy any of the products that we featured in this video, then they'll all be down in the description below. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.